How to find best Turo promo code. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to get a working discount promo code on Turo. So the very first thing that you want to do before you head straight into Turo.com's official site and then choose on whatever car you would like to rent, all you have to do is to go to this website that's going to be called simplycodes.com. Now this has been my always go-to website when it comes to coupon codes, discount promo codes, or voucher. It's totally free. So once you're here, just go into this magnifying glass and then just simply type in Turo. Now it should be on the very first result, like here. If you click that, you will see a lot of options here, right around 50% off, 10% off, 20, and so on and so forth. Now, if you already selected one, just simply click this option here that says Show Code, copy it, and then paste it into Turo's official site. And that is how you find a Turo promo code.